Attention players, welcome to my world. My name is Akihiko Kaiba, the sole controller of this world. You may have noticed the item missing from your main menu, the logout button. This is not a bug, a mistake, or a defect. I repeat, this is not a bug. This is how Project Aincrad is meant to be. For the next 7 days, you cannot log yourselves out of Project Aincrad, nor can you manually save your progress. It is important to remember the following. There is no longer any way to respawn within the game. If your HP drops to 0, your save file will be deleted. Forever. There is only one way for a player to save their progress now. You must clear the game. Right now, you are gathered on floor 1, the lowest level of Aincrad. If you can conquer the floor dungeon and obtain the logout key, you will clear the game. Players who obtain this item will be granted the ability to save their game. Finally, I've placed a gift inside of the inventory of every player. Please, take a look. It's a hand mirror. Unfortunately, we can't see your face, so it doesn't do anything. Enjoy it. You're probably wondering why. Why would Akihiko Kaiba, the creator of Project Aincrad and Argus VRC, do this? Ultimately, my goal was simple. I wanted to create a world, one that I could control and admire as I wish. As you can see, I have achieved this goal. This concludes the tutorial and the official launch for Project Aincrad. Players, I wish you the best of luck.
Yeah.